cool pool, huh? I like this pool. You guys like it? Nathan, come on. So we're at the Polynesian pool and we really like this pool. This has got to be one of our favorites. The layout is really good. I like how they have this splash pad right over here for kids. And it says 48 inches and under, but we asked the lifeguard and they said that the older kids can go on it. They just can't use the little slide. Which is awesome because most of the other resorts won't really let my kids that are like 11 on the splash pads. So there's also this slide over here. And then it looks like the restrooms are under the cave. Oh, there's Nathan up on top. That's where you get on the slide. And then I like how there's plenty of chairs all around here because some of the resorts are harder to see the pool where your kids are in based on where the chairs are for the adults. So that's great. You can see there's a lot of chairs. And they're all facing the pool instead of off in a separate area. It has a spa at the top here, and then it has a 0 entry, which is great. Disney's been adding that to a lot of them. So I think they added that when they redid this pool. You can also see the Grand Floridian and the Cinderella Castle from this pool, which is really fun. So you could theoretically be in the pool looking at the fireworks later tonight. And even see some of the projections. You can see the castle really well right now. You can see the train station and you can also see Space Mountain. Some more chairs and then they've got the pool bar right there. Play area with pool and the activities stuff. And then right behind the pool here is the lobby. The Captain Cook's, which is the quick service. So we went and filled up our mugs there right before we came down, and most of us are having hot cocoa. I think one of mine's having Sprite. They have free coffee and hot cocoa, and it's kind of chilly today. They said the pool was 82 degrees, so it's pretty, I mean, I guess it's nice. I'm not going in. I'm wearing long sleeves. My kids are the only ones in the pool, so